We're gonna let DJ Novi here make a couple beats for us. Go ahead, Novi.
A couple?
You look uncomfortable. I forgot what that one you did that one time. I was like, dang, that was nice.
Oh. I think I know.
Hey, little transition. Okay. I think that might be it. Yep, I think that's it. Hey.
All it was that one.
Hit us up on Instagram.
What?
Yeah, no, people can pay you for your beats. Hit us up here on Instagram. Get out my baby DJ Novi No. What's that little transition thing you're doing where it just kind of like fades it out? How you do that? The little thing. Hey. Yeah. I'm sorry I got excited. Yeah, I think that's cool. I like that.
I don't know if this is gonna be a little creepy for you guys, but
creepy. We can handle it, Novi. We can handle it. Go ahead. It's raining.
well, it's not raining hard. It's raining.
Let go. Okay, no. Hey.
Oh.
I can still hear it.
Oh.
I can still hear it. I think that needs to come out. That's not matching.
Which one?
Yeah, set up somewhere. That's like the one I made on Halloween. That's the beat I made on Halloween.
You did for real?
You don't know a Halloween video?